Rolling. Alright guys, welcome to the Stauber Best Testing Studio. Today, we're testing the Adhesive Sneeze Guard stands. These Sneeze Guard stands are perfect for teachers' desks, office desks, and even for cubicle tops. First, you want to peel this red label off. We have them peeled off here and stuck down. Look at that, they're in there pretty well. You just take your plexiglass panel and you just slide it into that spot, and it's in there. Now we're going to test how much this can take. Let's start off easy. Over here we got a golf ball. It's not doing much. Really not doing much. Here we got 3 tennis balls. Nothing. Nothing. What can't this guy take? Got a little football. Nothing. I hated my time in organic chemistry, so I brought this textbook. I don't want to see that anymore. We're going to stay in the sports world. How about chest pass? Nothing. Throw this boot. Nothing. What about this 3-pound dumbbell? Whoa! It's pretty impressive. That's the Stauber Best Adhesive Sneeze Guard. Nothing will knock it down.